Kids,
Yeah.
do you need anything else of crochet to be done next? Any more bags, clothes, toys, flowers,
As I know.
a flying pony? Anybody need something?
As I know. No. You could make me some like Pokemon, like a Squirtle, Charizard, Bulbasaur, a Pikachu.
Pikachu, I've done one already. I know how to do it. The other ones, I don't know who they are. Isn't it not one of them like a turtle with like horns?
No, Squirtle is like a normal turtle, and he's standing up.
Yep, Pokemons are not normal animals. They are pretending to be normal animals. They are just a modified version of them. Who is Pikachu? I mean, which animal will you? It's like a bunny. It's like a electrocuted bunny. That's why his ears are all spiky and he's like